Hey, what's going on guys? Nick from Soho Motorsports, and today we're going to talk about Chris's 2023 Nissan Z in the Boulder gray color, manual, black and red interior. Let's dive into it. So let's talk about the mods that we did to this vehicle here. There weren't too many, however, it changed the entire look of the vehicle. So first, we'll start with the AMS heat exchanger, which is a common thing on the VR platforms. The heat exchangers are this big, and so going to a bigger heat exchanger is only going to benefit the motor as far as consistency and allowing temperatures to stay within spec as they need to be after you beat on the vehicle. The next mod is going to be the Nismo twin disc clutch kit. We've got the race version on our Z. We put the street version on this vehicle here. He's not going to be doing any drag race or anything crazy with this vehicle like we are on ours. So the street is going to be more than enough in regards to what kind of power he wants to put, and as far as the feel of the pedal as well too. So still give you that stock feel. It's a great clutch setup. It drives amazing, feels amazing. So it'll be a great combo for this vehicle here. The next component that we put onto this vehicle was our Soho True Dual exhaust. So we kept the lowers, didn't change any of those, just put our catback exhaust. You'll hear some pulls of it on the dyno. We'll do some revs so you can hear how it sounds. It sounds OEM plus is the best way to explain it. So it sounds great, doesn't have too much rasp, or doesn't have any rasp at all, because I mean you're still keeping everything in regards to the lower downpipes and the upper downpipes. So it's a great option, sounds good. We also did Turbo Smart blow-off valves. So as you guys are aware, my buddy over Mark at Sonic Tune might have something to say about that. However, the blow-off valves sound good. I mean, these vehicles do come with blow-off valves from the factory. So that was the next component that we did. And finally, we did the KW V3 coilover setup. Once we put those on, we also added a set of the Nismo Club Sport wheels. 19 by 9.5 in the front, 19 by 10.5 in the rear, 265 up front, 305 in the rear. He's got the tire now to put the power down. As you can see, this car is absolutely gorgeous. The color, the wheels, everything matches. It all goes together. And so we'll get it on the dyno. We'll see what kind of power it does. We're just going to be tuning for 93 on this setup here. So we'll see what kind of power it does on 93. We'll do a baseline with the exhaust, no tune. And then we'll do the final numbers as far as with the tune and all the modifications on here. So let's go to the dyno, see what it does, and we'll go from there.
A baseline that we did on the car, it put down 374 and 384 foot-pounds of torque. Great power, what we expected for the manual. Next, we did a baseline with the True Dual exhaust setup on it and no tune, put down right at 400 and 378 foot-pounds of torque, right at 15 pounds. So let's see what it did now as we increased the boost, did the tune. You'll see at 18.2 PSI, put down 446 wheel and 453 foot-pounds of torque. Still great power. We picked up about 46 wheel and a little over 70 foot-pounds of torque on pump gas.
Here it is in full form on the ground. The color, the wheels, everything matches, the stance. He'll be very happy with this setup. We do appreciate Chris for trusting us with this vehicle and this build. Make sure you hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.